Okay, let's look at ions. An ion is an atom or a molecule that has either gained or lost some of its valence electrons. A valence electron is one of these electrons on the last orbital of the atom. Let's say, for example, let's look at sodium. Let's say a neutral sodium atom, as we know from the periodic table, has 11 protons, 11 electrons, and 12 neutrons. This makes it a neutral atom. But let's say, for example, this valence electron on the last orbital gets donated to another atom. Then our sodium atom that originally had 11 protons and electrons, making it neutral, only now has 10 electrons, which means that it has one less negative charge than positive charges. So it has technically one positive charge. So it is one extra positive charge. This means that a sodium ion will be written in a positive, as there is one extra proton left in the atom and there is one less electron when the electron was donated or it bonded with another atom. You will also find this number here at the top on other elements on your periodic table. For example, magnesium. If you see magnesium 2 plus, it also means that magnesium lost 2 electrons, giving it 2 positive charge. So now it only has 10 electrons where it used to have 12. Or aluminium, the same thing. It used to have 13 electrons. Now it only has 10. We also have ions with a negative charge. If you see a 2 negative, for example, it means that it gained 2 electrons. So it gained 2 extra negatives. So if oxygen had an atomic number of 8, telling us that it has 8 electrons, now it has 10 electrons. You will find these small numbers at the top of your periodic table, at the top of the groups. These numbers that most of you guys have filled in already during your class time, these numbers will correlate to the ion of your specific element. For example, chlorine is -1, and there you will find -1. Oxygen is -2. There you will also find an oxygen ion is -2.